Kia ora, ko Jeremy aka Tātere ahau, ko hau te rangatira o te whare.
No. No. Kia ora, ko Te Rina hau, ko au te mama o te whare.
Kia ora, ko te uaki aho.
Kia ora, ko Mairua hau.
A ko sina tēnei.
Mōrena, ko tahirangi e toi anaka eke Aotearoa whānui ki te taumata tuawhā, ara ka here a tātou katoa ki o tātou kāinga. So, roughly 36 hours out from level 4 lockdown. So we've decided today that we'll make the best of this last day of freedom and we're going to go for family portraits. So this is always an interesting activity for us, especially with our two boys, 11 and 5, and they tend to like to play up. 11-year-old Te Uaki is still fast asleep. Te Uaki, maranga e koro, maranga.
Koina o kākou mo tēnei rā.
Yeah.
Koe tēnā ke rungi tō tihate.
Chasina.
Ka mau koe tērā mō ngā whakahua a whānau tēnei rā. Kāo.
Update from me, preparing for family photos. Ka mea mai a Te Rina, just wear what you want, anything you want. So the first 4 things that I've gone out have been no. So I've had to ask her to come in and choose what I should wear for the family photos. Stay tuned.
So just choosing my outfit for today. And I'm looking at all white, but it's not really working. I feel like I'm going to
The temple.
So I think it's, I go for the top, but a no for the pants.
We're nearly all dressed, and Uaki is serenading us with his new piano skills that he's known to school. Whip us out something, son. Update. We've arrived at our venue. The boys have survived the trip here and they've managed to stay clean for now.
E oma. E oma.
Wow.
And smile, Lucky. You guys don't smile unless I tell you. You should be smiling lots.
Don't touch.
First cut of family photos. I think we had to get about 50 before Modu stood still. Family portraits was a nightmare. 90 minutes of photography in all sorts of different positions. Our boys were hoha about 5 minutes in. And so Mama and Papa weren't as patient as we could have been, but luckily we had an awesome photographer who was very patient. Lots of awkward social distancing, lots of families out on the last day before level 4 goes up at midnight tomorrow. Stay tuned.